How to grow on YouTube fast. Growing your YouTube channel is important for expanding your audience and increasing visibility, and here's how I did it in this channel where I use a tool called Tubebuddy. First up, we have Tubebuddy's Keyword Explorer. This tool is a game changer for anyone serious about boosting their videos' discoverability. With Keyword Explorer, you can uncover the most relevant and high-performing keywords in your niche. It's not just about finding keywords. It's about finding the right keywords that will make your content stand out. Number 2, Video Search Engine Optimization Tools. Now let's talk about video SEO tools. This is where the magic happens. Tubebuddy guides you in creating SEO-friendly content. It's not just about making great videos, it's about making sure those videos get seen by the right audience. The video SEO tools help you fine-tune your metadata, ensuring that your content is easily discoverable and reaches a wider audience. But wait, there's more. The number 3 would be stunning thumbnails. A stunning thumbnail can be the difference between a scroll and a click. Tubebuddy's Thumbnail Creator lets you create eye-catching thumbnails that demand attention. Remember, the click starts with the thumbnail. And there you have it, a trifecta for YouTube success. Keyword Explorer, Video SEO tools, and Thumbnail Generator. These tools from Tubebuddy aren't just features, they're your secret weapons for growing your YouTube channel. Dive in, explore, and watch your channel soar to new heights with Tubebuddy. Click that link in the description box and the comment section below to grant yourself some discount in Tubebuddy. As always, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like if it helps you out.